Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Surveys are a powerful tool for collecting feedback, gathering insight, and understanding your audience better. With Mailchimp's survey feature, you can easily design, distribute surveys to your subscribers, making it convenient to gather valuable information and make data-driven decisions. So, right now we are currently at the dashboard. We're beginning our tutorial in the dashboard immediately. If you don't have an account yet, creating an account is very easy and very direct. You won't be too confused, so we're beginning our tutorial in the dashboard right away. Now, to be able to create your first survey, or in general a survey, you're going to have to click on create over here on the top left. By doing this, you will be able to send to this page and you will be able to see here all the different things you could create with Mailchimp. You could create emails, automations, websites, landing pages, sign up forms, surveys, ads, social posts, and postcards over here. Now we're going to be focusing on surveys in today's video, and you could use surveys to get business insights when you collect feedback from your audience. So we can simply click this, and now you could get started with creating your survey. Simply click on get started over here and click on create survey over here on the top right. Now we're going to be redirected to the editing page of the survey, wherein we will be able to build the survey that we are trying to create. As you can see here, you will be able to see this plus sign over here. Simply click on the plus sign and you can choose however you would like your stuff to be presented. Now you have your introduction, radio buttons, checkboxes, range, and open text, email, contact information, content block over here. For the introduction, we will be using this first because we're going to be introducing ourselves, or like have an introduction before we start our survey. You could use a text, video, or image explaining how feedback will be used. Simply click this and you could choose from the options over here. We're going to go with the introduction that is normal. Then you can simply type in whatever introduction you would like to say. Now this is not a questionnaire, so this is just like a introduction. So it would look like this at the start, so you might be confused that it is a questionnaire, but it's not. This is just how it would look like on the editing page. It would look very much different later on the preview. So we're going to bold this. And then you could add something else below. You could add more text if you would like from the content block. You could add video or image. And you could also use this. So we're going to check out the radio button. For example, our question number one is, let's just not say any question. So let's just say question one. This is how you will be able to use the radio button over here. You have your option number one. So option number one, click on enter to be able to add another option. Option number two, then click on enter once again. Or you can simply click over here on the left side, or the right side rather, on the plus sign to be able to add another option. And click on the minus to remove that option just like that. And you could name it however you would like depending on the question you're trying to ask. And you could make this as a required, like they would need to answer this before they could proceed. And you could also toggle other options over here, which if they select this, they will have to enter a specific answer before they can proceed. Now let's go check out the checkbox over here. This is how the checkbox would look like, very similar with the radio box. And you have your question over here. You could ask the question number two, depending on what you would like. Then same thing with the options. You could add option 2 and option 3. And you could simply add through the minus and plus as well. Option 1. And let's do option 2 over here. Option 2. Then option 3 over here. Option 3. Now for this one, we can't have an empty option just like that. And then very similar with the radio box. The difference is this is checkbox and they could select multiple answers as one, as you can see here. And you could toggle other options as well depending on how you would like it to be. You could also have an auto tagging over here. You could click on another one. We could have range as well. You could choose from 0 to 10 over here, as you can see. You could choose the labels or the values from 0 to 5 or from hearts, as you can see here, or stars depending on how you would like it to be. you could make it required as well. Then you could add your question over here, question number 3. And this is like a label, like low or high over here. Depending on how you would like it to be presented, you could use any text that you want. And another one, you could have an open text over here. You could also provide an email if you would like. You can see here, we're going to click on add. You get an email to be added to your audience. You can see here, like give your email or however you would like it to be asked, depending on how you would like it. And then you could ask to subscribe over here. Then you could add another one, like contact information, provide user specific data. You can see here, you can specifically add the specific question that you're trying to ask, like age, gender, all of those information. You could choose from age, gender, first name, last name, and address over here. And you could add more things like content block, and the content block is basically the same thing as our introduction over here. Now, right now, you see we don't have this one. We could delete this for now. And you have this one. If you would like to rearrange your question, you can simply click on the arrows over here, which would redirect it or would rearrange the question however you would like it to be. Then we could click on preview over here. Then we could check out how it would look like. And as you can see, this is our introduction. It's not a question. And our other questions over here, you can select 2 options over here, 3. On the other option, you could only select 1, as you can see. Then the rating over here, depending on how you would like it to be. Then your address over here. Then you can simply click on submit. That is how you will be able to use the survey that we have just created over here. Then we could go back to survey, and you will be able to see the surveys that you have created and finished creating over here in the survey overview. And you will be able to see like the data about the survey, how many have taken it, how many have collected, stuff like that. And going back, let's go back to our survey creation over here. Just like this. After this, you can simply click on continue to design right now. And you could customize your page, like add designs. As you can see here, you could add image. You could add custom message over here, like a submit button label, confirmation message, close survey message, all of this information over here. And like styles over here that change all the different colors, stuff like that. Then you could click on review to proceed. Then you could add your survey name, choose your audience, have immediate notification or daily summary over here. After that, you simply click on continue. And after this, you could go to the sharing options now. And this is how you will be able to share your survey. And let's see, as you can see, we have almost created or almost finished creating our survey. We could share our survey through an email or add an existing email over here, share our URL, share on Facebook, or share on Twitter over here. You could edit your different survey settings over here. And you can also monitor your answers over here, like the answers for question 1, 2, and 3 over here. And that's it, guys. That's how you will be able to create a survey in Mailchimp. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.